Glass skin on a budget under $10. Marketing is loud, but science is quiet. I'm focusing on what actually works for my barrier. But real glass skin isn't about spending more. It's about caring for your skin consistently. For a long time, I thought glowing skin was expensive. Fancy serums, luxury products, endless routines. And today, I'm sharing a simple routine that costs less than $10.
Every day feels like a dream. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 가끔은 멀리 있어도.
Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Glass skin begins with clean skin. A gentle cleanser removes dirt, oil, and yesterday's stress. Take your time. There's no need to rush. Not strict, not tight, just fresh and balanced. Step 2. Hydration is everything. The secret behind that glass-like glow? Hydration. Not expensive ingredients. Hydrated skin reflects light naturally. Use an affordable moisturizer that keeps your skin soft and comfortable. Simple works. Step 3. Lock in moisture. Think of it as wrapping your skin in a soft blanket. At night, apply a thin layer of moisturizer. While you sleep, your skin does its quiet work. Step 4. Never skip sunscreen. Every day, the most important beauty product is often the least exciting. Sunscreen, even when you're indoors. Step 5. Glow from within. Protecting your skin today creates the glow you'll enjoy tomorrow. Drink water. Eat colorful fruits. Get enough sleep. The skin often reflects how we treat ourselves. Glass skin isn't a filter. It's not overnight. It's the result of small habits repeated consistently, day after day. Trust the process. Step 6. Be patient. Beautiful skin doesn't have to be expensive. You don't need dozens of products. You don't need luxury brands. You just need consistency, hydration, protection, and patience. Because the most beautiful glow comes from taking care of yourself. One simple day at a time. This is my 2-minute morning glow elixir. It's anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and honestly, it's delicious. Inspired by Chinese actress. So try these drinks.